guys, welcome back to the channel. So my name is Miro Villon if you haven't know me, and yeah, welcome back to the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. So for today we will be installing this nice bride shift boot for the Honda Civic Ep3. So yeah, we'll go ahead and install this, guys, and all you need to do is remove your shift knob like that, guys, and grab it from here and pull just like that, guys. Take this out and you got this hazard right here. Remove this. So you will see these three Phillips screws right here. You need to unscrew them. And voila, just like that, guys. So yeah, take this out of the way. And as you can see, you can remove your shift boot from this thing. There we go. So now you remove this rubber shift boot from this thing. And there we go. There's your old shift boot, guys. So now this will be kind of like too long, but we'll try. So here's how I ended up getting mine done, guys. So I had to trim some of this bride shift boot a little bit. So yeah, so you had to just kind of like tuck it in here. So and then screw it down. But make sure before you cut some of it off, maybe like make sure that it's all lined up perfectly, and make sure it's all lined up where do you want to place your shift boot. So yeah, and make sure you got enough slack for your shift knob here, guys. So yeah, so I'm going to install this back to the car. Don't forget to plug in your hazard. Install your shift knob. There's OEM, guys. So yeah, if you wanna buy some of that there, guys, like I bought that from Amazon. So yeah, if you wanna check that out, go ahead, guys. So yeah, guys, that's it for the installation. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what do you guys think on the shift boot that we have, and what do you guys think about the installation. Yeah, feel free to comment down below, let me know. And yeah, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and that will help me a lot, and that will help me to make more videos for you guys. And yeah, And that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.